Now that you've mastered triads, it's time to learn about bigger chords. And today we're going to look at the dominant seventh chord. Now, for those of you who are just here to learn how to write dominant seventh chords, here are the steps. Step 1 is to write the root. Step 2 is to write a major triad above the root, and step 3 is to write a minor seventh above the root. Now, it's important to remember that dominant seventh chords exist within a key signature. They are called dominant seventh chords. Dominant is in the title, and we know that the word dominant means scale degree 5. So, when you are asked to write a dominant seventh chord, remember that the root always has to be constructed on the fifth of whatever key you are in. For example, if you are asked to write the dominant seventh chord of B flat major, the root is not B flat, because in B flat major, B flat is the tonic. The dominant seventh of B flat major starts on F, because F is the fifth note of B flat major. Remember what the question said? Write the dominant seventh of B flat major, not write the dominant seventh on B flat major. Those are two different words, of and on. So let's do a few for practice. Let's right now write the dominant seventh of A major. Step 1 is to write the root, and we have to locate the root. Dominant seventh of A major. What's the fifth note, the dominant of A major? A, B, C sharp, D, E. E is the fifth note of A major, so the dominant seventh of A major is going to be built on E. E is the root. Here's an E. Now, step 2 is to write a major triad on top of that E. I know that an E major triad is E, G sharp, B. That's an E major triad, and the root is E. Easy. And step 3 is to write a minor seventh above the root. The root is E, and a minor seventh above E is D. Altogether, we have the E major triad and the minor seventh. This is the dominant seventh of A major. So in an A major key signature, this is the dominant seventh chord that exists within A major. Let's do a different one. Let's write the dominant seventh chord of F major. What is the dominant note of F major? It's not F, because F is the tonic. The dominant note of F major is 5 notes above the tonic. F, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is the fifth note of an F major scale. So the dominant seventh of F major, its root is C. And there's a C. That was step 1. Now step 2 is to construct a major triad on top of that C. And step 3 is to add a minor seventh on top of all of that other stuff. A minor seventh on top of C is B flat. C, E, G, B flat. This is the dominant seventh of F major. And it's that simple. Root, major triad, minor seventh. One note. Please remember that when you are writing dominant seventh chords on your theory exam, and you have been asked to write a dominant seventh chord of a minor key, you have to remember to physically raise the leading tone if you're working inside a key signature. Okay? So this means, for example, if you're writing the dominant seventh of C minor, dominant seventh of C minor starts on G, and a major, G is the root, and then you write a major chord above G, G, B natural, D, and then a minor seventh above G is F. So it'd be G, B, D, F. Now in C minor's key signature, there happens to be a B flat. So please remember, you need the leading tone. You would have to physically raise the third of that chord from B flat to B natural and go G, B natural, D, F. Okay? The key signature won't help you. In minor keys, you have to physically raise the third note and add the leading tone. Let's go over to the whiteboard now and see that on paper.